Hi, today I'll show you how to 3D print directly from Siemens SolidEdge and also how to upload files directly to 3DPrinterOS cloud for further 3D printing or processing or collaborating on this with your colleagues. So here I have the part. It's part of Nissan Leaf car, and I'm clicking on this 3DPrinterOS tab. Here I have 4 buttons: account, print, upload. So account button helps me to log in, log out to 3DPrinterOS accounts. So if I want to print, I click this print button. It will ask me for my credentials. I click login. Now it will show me the exporting STL export settings. I'm fine with this. I click upload. So the file is uploaded now, and this is the API window. It automatically detects printers connected to my account. In my case, it's Ultimaker 2, so I'm selecting this printer. It will show this 3D printer build tray and the part on it. So here I can center the object to move around. I can also rotate, scale, whatever I need to do to the part. I'm good with this setup, so I click next. Now I'll select the slicer settings, the perfect print. So the settings are good. I click next. So now what's happening in the cloud? The part is being processed, so we do checks and also apply fixes if some parts of this design are not printable. And finally, we slice it in the cloud. A few more seconds, and it's available to print. So when I click print, it will heat up the build tray and the extruder of 3D printer. So now it's heating, and when it's ready to start printing, it will start printing right away. So while it's heating, let me come back to SolidEdge and show you how to upload the file to the cloud for further processing. So I click the button upload. It will ask me for a file name. Let's say it's version 1. I can upload directly to one of the projects I already have. So for now, I'll just upload it as a single file. Settings are fine, so I click the button upload. And when the file is there, I just click button go to cloud. It will open 3DPrinterOS cloud with my files. And here is my part. It's instantly rendered in the cloud. And I can check it in STL editor. I can select different printers, industrial ones, desktop ones, and it will show the build tray size. So let me select Ultimaker 2, for example. Here's the build tray, position it, or I can use these buttons. So when I'm fine with the design, I save it, and the system will automatically create the project with all the previous versions. So I did the modification to the part, and it created a new one with different location and build tray. So now I'm going to slice the file. It's Ultimaker 2, and I would select perfect print. You can check also advanced settings. So I click this button, slice, and toolpath preview, so I can preview before the printing. Is it generating the right G-code? So I can hear the 3D printer just started printing. I can also track visually from my account what's happening exactly at this moment with the printer. In order to do this, I go to Cloud, Printers, find my Ultimaker 2, it's here, it's printing. The job is in progress, here are the temperatures, so I can live view and I can see it starting the print. Okay, so here are my G-codes ready. Everything is running in the browser really fast. So I can see layer by layer how the printer is going to print this part. I can show the animation. So I can see how is it doing the infill. You can also check the first few layers to be sure it's for example sticking. Here's the very first layer, and so on. And actually you can see that the first layer is slower speed, and then the speed is increased. So if I'm good with the G-code, next thing I would do, I would print it. I click the button print, and it will show me the available printers. So this one is already printing, so I can queue up the job and continue it later. So if we come back here, you can see it's printing, and it will create a GIF animation of the part, so like this. So this is how it works, and you can see it's pretty simple process to print from CAD software. So thank you very much for your attention.